How many planets are there in our solar system? Answer 8. How many strings does a violin have? Answer 4. Which is the most common non contagious disease in the world? Answer tooth decay. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Answer Africa. How many planets are there in our solar system? Answer 8. Which is the hottest continent on earth? Answer Africa. How many years are there in a millennium? Answer 1000. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Answer Australia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? Answer Alexander Graham Bell. What does the internet prefix www stand for? Answer World Wide Web. How much of the earth's surface is covered by the ocean? Answer 71%. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? Answer Alexander Fleming. How many stars are there in the American flag? Answer 50. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Answer pentagon. Which way is anti-clockwise, left or right? Answer left. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? Answer 2. Which is the coldest location in the earth? Answer East Antarctica. Who discovered electricity? Answer Benjamin Franklin. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Answer Mandarin. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Answer nose and ears. The largest democracy in the world? Answer India. Who is the inventor of television? Answer John Logie Baird. Which is the largest plate in the world? Answer Tibetan plate. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer Sphygmomanometer. What color symbolize peace? Answer white. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Answer Bill Gates. During which year did World War I begin? Answer 1914. How many cricket World Cups does India have? Answer 2. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer carbon dioxide. How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards? Answer 52. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? Answer: the Amazon. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Answer: Ghana. What makes up approx 80% of our brain's volume? Answer: water. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Answer: anemometer. Stars and Stripes is the nickname of the flag of which country? Answer: United States of America. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Answer: binary language. What covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface, land or water? Answer: water. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Answer: diamond. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer: France. What is the name of the Greek god of music? Answer: Apollo. What does the SIM in the SIM card stand for? Answer: Subscribe Identity Module. Which is the first element on the periodic table of elements? Answer: hydrogen. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Answer: India. What is the largest joint in the human body? Answer: knee. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer: stapes, ear bone. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer: barometer. Which is the largest continent in the world? Answer: Asia. Who is the inventor of the electric bulb? Answer: Thomas Alva Edison. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of latest videos uploaded by Knowledge Key.